Once you create your account on AccessAPI.com and log in, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard is used to start and manage instances. The default page on the dashboard has a red button on the top left named New Instances. Use this button to start an instance. All your instances will show in the Your Instances section of this page. Each instance has a button named Show Details. Click on this button to manage the instance. The Instance Setup section has multiple buttons. We will now go over the purpose of each button. Password. This is the first activity you do after starting an instance. The password you set here will be used to access the API Builder tool and the Database Adminer tool. Twilio Setup button. Twilio is the leading solution for sending SMS messages to your customers. If you wish to send SMS messages to your users for things like password resets, etc., create an account on Twilio.com. Set up the Twilio credentials on your instance using this option. GCM Setup button. Google's GCM service is a free push notification service for Android, iOS and Chrome. To send push notifications to these devices via GCM, set up your instance using this option. APN Setup. Apple's APN is a free service to send push notification to Apple devices. Use this option to upload the Apple SSL certificate and its password onto your instance. Load HTML. You can upload your HTML, JS, CSS files onto your instance. Compress your files into a .zip file and upload it to the instance using this option. Once the file is uploaded, it will be installed onto your instance. API Builder. Your instance comes with the Access API Builder tool pre-installed. This GUI tool is used to build and test your custom APIs. Use this option to access your API Builder tool. Database. Your instance comes with a pre-installed MySQL database. Use the Adminer tool to create and modify tables, import-export data, run ad hoc queries and analyze data. Endpoint. Your instance is used by mobile devices and web apps to power them. Use this option to view the API endpoint your apps can use to access the API. Analytics. Check your instances, statistics, API call history, new customer activations, etc. Backup. You can automatically take daily backups in an AWS S3 bucket. AWS S3 is a simple storage service provided by Amazon. Create a private bucket on AWS S3. Set up automatic daily backups to the bucket using this option. Security. Your instance can be securely accessed using a free SSL certificate. Enter the domain name that you own. Domain administrator will receive an email approval. Once the administrator approves, the SSL will be set up automatically. Restart. Sometimes, if there is a problem, you may request an instance to be rebooted. Please make sure you have a backup before you reboot an instance. Delete. Use this option only if you are sure you do not need the instance anymore. Any data or code stored on this instance will be permanently lost. We may credit you for the unused period as per our policy. Create a free login and explore AccessAPI.com.